This is better than the Mi Smart Band 5. Amazfit Band 5 unboxing and review coming up. Let's go! What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. And we're going to do an unboxing for the Amazfit Band 5. It looks very similar and it has a lot of similarities to the Mi Smart Band 5 because they are the same makers. Amazfit or Huami are the same makers, or they make they provide the Xiaomi Smart Band series, but now they made their own Amazfit Band 5. It looks the same, but this is kind of the upgraded version because it has more features compared to the Mi Band 5 or the Mi Smart Band 5. So let's quickly unbox this and explore what are the differences or what are the things that we can see here. Let's go. All right, first of all, I like how it's being packed. The contrast between the watch and the background, it's an off-white background. It looks pretty nice, but it doesn't really matter because what matters is the one inside. And basing on this, the print outside, it has some specs. I already see 3 things that is new compared to the Mi Band 5. So one of them is the blood oxygen saturation measurement, which is the SpO2, and it has a built-in Alexa. Yes, it has a built-in Alexa and 15 days battery life. The Mi Band 5 is advertised as 14 days battery life. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So opening the box. Alright, so first we have the band itself with the plastic covering. We have the user manual. Also, we have the magnetic charger. And looking at the band, it is pretty much the same as the Mi Band 5. As I can see, the design, the size, the screen itself, the strap. Alright, so let's go into the specs. For the screen size, it's 1.1 AMOLED screen, and it has a 126 by 294 resolution, and the weight is 24 grams, and its dimension is 47.2 by 18.5 by 12.4 millimeter. The strap length is between 162 to 235, and also it is a 580M waterproof. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0, and again the battery life is up to 15 days. And it has 11 sports modes, same as the Mi Band 5. It has 24 hours heart rate monitor and also 24 hours sleep monitoring. Alright, so we're gonna pair this to an app. We're not gonna use the Mi Fit app. This one has its own app, which is previously called Amazfit, or it was Amazfit Watch, but now it's called Zepp. You can download it via Apple App Store and also on the Google Play Store. Alright, so downloading it, it's quite straightforward. And to pair, so basically you just have to hit on the plus sign and you pair it. Just follow the prompts, it will guide you step by step. So you're not gonna be lost because it's all in English, and yeah, it's step by step. So after you've after you paired the watch to the phone itself, it will do a few updates. So all you have to do is just wait for it to finish. Initial update probably will take around 5 minutes. It could take up to 10 minutes. You just have to wait and let it do its updates. And you can just come back to check on it. Alright, so now we're gonna explore the options that you can see on this Amazfit Band 5. Right, so let's start scrolling. So if you swipe from bottom to top, it will display the first is the status. So opening it, you'll see how many calories, the distance, how many idle alerts that you got, and also your 7-day steps, step count. So you'll have a history of your steps over there. So next is the Pi, which refers as the Personal Activity Intelligence. It's a new system that converts your heart rate data into a personalized score that indicates the level of activity required in order to maintain good health. It just simply means that the more you move, the more you do some exercises, you have a higher Pi score. And the next option is the heart rate monitor. You can actually turn on the continuous heart rate, but it will actually compromise the battery life. But if you just want to measure your heart rate manually, you can make sure you use or wear the band like 1 finger from your wrist bone or 1 cm from the wrist bone, just to properly have a good reading. And from there you can start reading your current heart rate, and make sure you don't move. So make sure you fasten the band slightly above your wrist bone, above 1 cm, and don't move. So let's do that. And next is a new feature that we see on the Amazfit Band 5, which is not on the Mi Band 5, which is the SpO2 reading. You can actually measure how much oxygen your blood is carrying as a percentage of the maximum it could carry. The normal SpO2 level is between 96% to 99%. So let's try it. Next one, we have the notification. So this is where you can read your previous notification, but there is a character limit. I'll be putting in the description how much is the character limit, because I'll still have to test this on the character limit. I believe there is a character limit on the Mi Band 5, but I don't have it on top of my head. You can check the description, I'll be adding it there. In terms of emoji, it's still not supported, so it might come up as a question mark. So it just a little bit annoying sometimes, because you think it's a question mark, but it isn't, because it's just an emoji. And next below that is stress. So you can measure your stress. You just have to stay still and do the measurement, and it will tell you if you have low, mild, or probably high stress or something, and the base it depending on your heart rate. So let's give it a go. And not to worry if you feel stressed, because the next option is the breathing. All right, so it's quite easy to use the breathing. So make sure you are wearing it correctly. Stay still. Take note of the vibration, a tiny vibration for inhaling and exhaling. It's quite relaxing. You can give it a try. And next we have the events. So these are the events based on your calendar on your phone. So it will be pushed over here. So if you want to add reminders, you can actually hit on the plus sign. Okay, once you open events, you can hit on the plus sign and it opens Alexa, so that you can tell Alexa to add a reminder for you. All right, next is the weather. For you to get the weather data, it should be synced to your phone, and your phone should be connected to the internet, and it's gonna get your location, and based on that location you'll get your current temperature in your area, the high and low for the day for the temperature, and also how much chance it's going to rain for the day, as well as the wind level and also the UV level. And you will get a forecast for the next week as well. So it could be up to 5 days of forecast, you would know. Right, next we have the workout. So you have 11 workout modes, including outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga, jump rope, pool swimming, and freestyle. And now let's move on to the next option, which is more. So more, this is where we see most of the settings. Okay, so one is we have DND, do not disturb. You can add an alarm. You can set, you can go for the camera. And in terms of the camera, you have to go to your Zepp app. And then from there, you go to the profile, you go to the Amazfit Band 5, and you scroll down at the bottom. And from there, you will see the option that says lab, and you have to turn on or set the camera settings. You have to pair it, and once you've done that, that's the time that you can actually use the band as a shutter to your camera. So it's a remote shutter. So just open the camera and press from the band to capture the picture. Other things you can see in the settings, you have the music control, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, world clock, band display, settings. Under the settings you have the brightness, lock screen, and so on. And from the home screen, at the right side, there's a quick access to the weather. Left hand side, that's a quick access to Alexa. So once you open it, it's the weather today. You can just ask Alexa a question. Or you can actually ask Alexa on like your favorite actor maybe. Who is Samuel L. Jackson? It will sync to the phone, so there's a little bit of delay, so it's not like immediate, so probably around 5 seconds. It would depend on your connection. There is a microphone, but there's no speaker. Who is Google? The microphone is on the bottom, so it's a single microphone that is only used for Alexa, not able to use it for calls or any recording or anything like that. So let's go now to the Zepp app. So what do you see on the Zepp app? Pretty much similar to the Mi Fit app. So you'll still see your data, like your sleep data, your pi, calories, heart rate, monitor, and so on. But let's move along to the profile under the Amazfit Band 5. As you can see, if you have been using the Mi Band 5 before, it is pretty much similar to what it is from the Mi Fit app. They also have the store for your watch faces, a lock screen, and so much of its options. And yeah, it is pretty much very similar to the Mi Fit app. So let's go to the store. So these are the watch faces that you can download and sync to your Amazfit Band 5. There is a lot of watch faces that you can choose from here, and some of these are not available in the Mi Band 5. So they have different types of watch faces. So I'll be doing an in-depth comparison between the Amazfit Band 5 and the Mi Band 5 soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and you hit on the bell notification icon so you get notified once I upload a new video. And a big thanks to all of the subscribers out there. We are now close to 30,000. I will not be here without you guys. So 30,000, stay tuned. I'll be doing a giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. You're subscribed to the channel and you hit on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. So you might be the next winner for our giveaway. So I was thinking of giving an Amazfit Band 5. So if you do want to have this is definitely a good device to have. So make sure you have subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and yeah, that's it. And stay tuned. You will be notified, and I'll give you instructions on how to enter the contest giveaway. And my thoughts on the Amazfit Band 5, definitely the pricing between the Mi Band 5 and the Amazfit Band 5 are not that far away, so you just have to top up a bit, but you'll definitely have more features on the Amazfit Band 5 compared to the Mi Band 5. The Alexa feature is already a game changer having this. So when they released the Mi Band 5, a lot were not happy because they didn't get the Alexa option, as well as the SpO2 or the blood oxygen saturation. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be doing a ton of Xiaomi videos, and I'll see you on the next video. So bye for now. Happy Halloween.